everyone, Kurumzari, Kahinleme. Welcome to KhutSem Live. Today we are here in Gelzang Resort in Churachandpur district. And I am not alone, we have two beauty queens. Miss Zofa 2018, second runners-up, and on my right side, Miss Kut 2018. Hope you two are doing great. It's very nice meeting two of you. So for the audience and for everyone, firstly, let us introduce ourselves, like yourself. So I will begin from Miss Zofa International 2018 second runners-up. Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Rocy Niangbiakmawi from Churachandpur district, Manipur. I am 20 years of age and presently I'm studying in B.Ed 5th semester. Yeah, and I am the former Miss Zofa International 2018.
Thank you so much, Miss Zofa, for the introduction. It was very nice. And now let's go to Miss Kut 2018. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, Kurumzari, Kahinleme. I am Niengneihoi, Haokip, 20 years old from Toibung, Churachandpur. Currently pursuing my BSc 5th semester at Churachandpur College. And I want to thank KhutSem for inviting us here. Please enjoy.
Thank you so much for both your introductions. So, as you are Zofa and Kut, firstly, let us know what exactly is the meaning of Zofa. Zofa represents what?
When we say Zofa, Zofa includes all the tribals living nationally and internationally.
Okay, that means it represents a very big platform,
Yes,
so to say. Thank you so much for that information.
You're welcome.
Now let's go to Miss Kut. I like Miss Kut. Kut ti le ipi kisay na dan ham. Chamsan hinsay pi thay diwa.
Kut itile, kut tamta na iwen na ihohen. Tu ay kay kazaw na pin hi chabang kut kitiin. Hi kut hi chabang kut hi chikim community kitile. Chin kuki mizaw ti hozaw si kiloy khoma chi hi mun khat ay lo le mun chum chuma kimang khom zi hiin. Alang pi kazaw na pin hi state level hiin. Contestant hozong Chin kuki mizaw sungaku da na ka chi khomovin lai ka zaw khomovin ka bonovin lungkhat le thakhat tain ka pang khomovin ka bonova ka pan la khomna kuna hi unity hi mu thai na umen ki pa umen.
And this could mainly represent a harvesting festival zong hina and ki pa hazing. It's very nice. I like to now let us begin the talk again. The year 2019 is about to end. So your title, as the year is about to go, the time is about to roll. You are to give away your title, or someone is to like change your title. So what do you feel that moment, like it's about to come?
I think it breaks me down emotionally, but I am happy to see someone who could change me, who could replace me. So I'm happy for the next Miss Zofa International second runners-up.
Yeah, it's very nice, and I do hope that the one who will be changing you, so to say, replacing you, will be very lucky to get this position also. Thank you so much. Then let's go to Miss Kut. 2019 Kut is also about to begin. So we are celebrating the month of November. So this title will be gone after 2-3 months. So what do you feel about this?
I always knew this day would come someday, and it's around the corner now. I don't want to give it away, but that's a bit selfish. So I want to see well-equipped girls and confident girls to participate and take my part and succeed me. So to all the girls who are willing to participate or who are preparing to participate, I wish you all the best and soak in and enjoy the atmosphere.
Welcome back to KhutSem Live. So now Miss Zofa and Miss Kut, let us talk very casually, like very openly, so to say. Like in Manipur, what is the context of fashion war among people? Like what do people think about this fashion?
I think in Manipur we are a little bit developed now, and I think beauty pageant, fashion and such, I think it's really practicable in Manipur states now compared to the other years. I think it's really practicable, and I think we really look forward to fashion because we are in a developing state, and I hope that in the future, I hope that we would be more developed in this fashion or beauty pageant and such. And I wanted to request as well as suggest the younger generations that these types of fashion or beauty pageants and such, I think it is one type of developing our states, one type of development for our states as well. Thank you.
Yeah, very well answered. Thank you so much. It's very inspiring. So Miss Cook, 2018 fashion war in Manipur. So this fashion war can bring what types of changes according to you?
Me myself, I have seen many changes when competing in beauty pageant, because in beauty pageant we learn many things we don't learn in the outside world, I should say. Not inside the pageant. No one taught us to be on time, no? Yes. Yeah. So when we're in pageant, we ourselves we reach early the campus. We practice. We do everything on time. So it is very good, and I would also like young girls to participate more in beauty pageant, and also parents to understand this. This is not spoiling the child's career. Rather, it is molding them into confident and accomplished women they will be in the future.
Beauty pageant yang hin ko sek thai hi beauty pageant a ko na hi piti da thiltam ta bol thai na platform khat a he ti su piti da whole head do na khat hin na ke pam the in Miss 2018. Now I hi le twin Miss Zofa, what do you plan to do? Means you're a queen, so what is your future plan?
I think as a beauty queen, I think I would keep pushing myself. I would use my ability and my capacity to the community and to my tribes and to the Zofa especially. To the Zofa, I would like to contribute my ability, my capability and such. I would like to contribute more in the future, and I would like to take I would like myself to represent in another states, like maybe nationally or maybe internationally. However I can do, I would like to. I am always ready to take a step forward.
Yeah, very, very well said. Very inspiring, and I wish you all the best also in the future.
Thank you.
That you get more title and we get these types of more.
I hope so.
Thank you, Miss Kut. What is your future plan? Direct question.
Being a Miss Kut, my reign may come to an end, but I need to have this sense of responsibility to be like to help my community or to take part in the society, making it a better society, and be a very good example for the coming generations, for the young teens. Okay. And right now I want to focus on my studies, so I don't think about competing in pageants right now.
Okay, it's like you want to focus on your studies, right?
Yeah,
very nice. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, now Miss Zofa, what do you think about, as a beauty queen, what do you think about women empowerment?
I think about women empowerment, I think we really need to empower the women in our society. When we mean women empowerment, it doesn't mean empowering the lower sections of the society. It doesn't mean that. It means to say that maybe even the higher sections of the society, they need women empowerment as well. Everyone needs women empowerment because women is really needed in our life, and a married man will actually know how much important women are
and how much power they have.
Yeah. So I think women empowerment would be I think we need to be a little bit careful in empowering them as well, because they when we empower them, I think they will be too powerful and they may rule the family.
Yes.
So I think
Yeah.
in empowering them we need to be really careful about that, because because women, as we know, they were like that.
Yes, very well said.
Yeah.
In a negative way, right? If we empower them, there will be so many problems. That's very nice. Okay, Miss Kut, just as I asked Miss Zofa, women empowerment, what do you think about this? Is this really needed in our society?
Yes, according to me, true empowerment is when you realize, when you value the work of a housewife, when you realize your mom at home is equally as important to your father, who is earning to keep the family stable, and also, yes, husband earns, but even though he earns, he alone does not have the decision to spend the money. The wife also has rights, and they need to talk about how to spend the money.
Yes, thank you so much. Very well said, both of you. Women empowerment se yamna maru oi kaigino hardi nupi ka mu se yam hanthana yengoi gadauba moi se support tawraga anda moi na su ahongba kya purak pa ya haba sini miss ani gi answer se yamna phajai. Yeah, Miss Zofa, Miss Kut, it was very nice talking to both of you.
Thank you.
And I do wish you all the best in future, and I do hope that with more achievement, more title, we'll meet again once here in KhutSem Live. Thank you so much for joining.
Please visit the link below and like,
share,
Subscribe.
Hello everyone from Zari, Kahinleme. Welcome to
Currently pursuing my BSc semester at Churachandpur College. No, sorry, fifth.
Presently, I'm studying in BA 5th semester, and I am the former Miss Zofa International 2019. Oh!